These are the software machine section. CNC machine, computerized numerical cutting machine. Machining is a manufacturing process in which previously programmed computer software dictates the movement of the factory tool and machinery. The process can be used to control a range of complex machinery. CNC uses. CNC machine is the most cost effective. This type of machining requires fewer machine operators since one skilled person can run several machines at one time. Since the CNC is so accurate, it reduces errors from the manufacturing process and eliminates unnecessary waste.
Pre-programmed computer software. 1. Import image from Google.
Go to Google. Search for an image or outline of a picture of your choice. Click the image and save it in desktop. Change the file name and click Save button. Now image is saved in desktop.
Change the image into backgroundless image.
Go to Google. Type www.remove.bg. It gives a backgroundless image. Press upload image. Now pop-up box will open. Upload the previous image that you saved in desktop. Press open button to upload image. After processing, it produced backgroundless image. Press download button on a screen, then pop-up box will appear on a screen. Change the file name, then press save button.
Using Inkscape application for tracing an image that you imported.
Open Inkscape application on a desktop. From the file tool, you can import backgroundless image that you saved in desktop previously. Click import button, then a pop-up box will appear. Click the file that you saved previously and press open button. The backgroundless picture will appear on the screen. Double click to select the picture. At write in detection mode, change the default setting brightness cutoff to edge detection. Press apply button at bottom. At top left, go to path tool, then click object to path. Drag the traced image and delete the image that you imported. Now you have a traced image. In a toolbar, select File tool, then save a traced image. Pop-up box will open. Change the file name and change Save as Type to Plain SVG. Click Save button.
JS Cut. We use JS Cut for stimulating traced image.
Go to Google. Type JS Cut. Click JS link and then click launch button. Now the page will appear. Press open SVG and press local. Select the traced file that you saved in desktop previously. Press open to import the image. Now trace image is appeared. Click outer line of the image that highlighted into blue. Click make all it will change all the inches into millimeter. Type the value in max cut depth, that is 3.175. If you want to change the default values that given, you can change. Click create option and change the default setting pocket to engrave for engraving the image. Press generate toolpath for operation. Now you can see generate image. Then press stimulate G-code, it will stimulate the image. Now press save G-code, save G-code box will appear. There you change the file name extension.nc, then press local file. Local file box will open, save your file in desktop, then press save button.
We use candle application to see ready file for engrave.
Open the ready file that saved previously. Now you can see the engraved look of traced image. Use these 4 keys to check the angle of the image.
Let's see how the machine operates.
You can see both machine and software. How machine works.
Machine learning will automate jobs that most people thought could only be done by people. Thank you. We will meet next video.